Welcome to this video where we will explore a new study published in Science, which found that massive tree planting is the cheapest and most effective way to mitigate climate change. The study has challenged the traditional thinking around carbon taxes, revealing the pitfalls of political approaches to combating negative externalities. In this video, we will examine the study and discuss how it disrupts the familiar narrative around carbon taxes that even professional economists have been feeding the public for years. The study in question has found that planting billions of trees across the world is by far the biggest and cheapest way to tackle the climate crisis. As trees grow, they absorb and store carbon dioxide emissions that are driving global warming. The study estimates that a worldwide planting program could remove 2/3 of all emissions that have been pumped into the atmosphere by human activities, a figure the scientists describe as mind-blowing. Ironically, the new thinking shows the pitfalls of political approaches to combating negative externalities. The good news about tree planting disrupts the familiar narrative about carbon taxes that even professional economists have been feeding the public for years. This episode is an example of what Ronald Coase warned about in his classic 1960 article showing the danger in the traditional approach of using taxes to fix alleged market failures. Coase challenged the standard approach to externalities that had been developed by economist A.C. Pigou. According to Pigou, when third parties experience benefits or harms because of particular market transactions, the invisible hand fails. Pigou suggested that in a case like this, the government should impose a tax on the factory, corresponding to the harm that additional output causes to the people living downstream. However, Coase came along and completely upended this traditional Pigouvian analysis by urging readers to consider the reciprocal nature of the problem. In the case of planting trees, the new study demonstrates that it might greatly reduce the social cost of carbon. The scientists involved in the study believe that a massive campaign of planting trees is now the single best approach to mitigating climate change. In conclusion, the study has revealed that massive tree planting is the cheapest and most effective way to mitigate climate change, thus disrupting the traditional narrative around carbon taxes. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Subscribe Libertarian Facts.